Hey guys, back with another video, and this one is sponsored by Banggood. Everything you want to know about buying this product, it's in the description of this video along with the discount code. So today we have the K66 keyboard with Gateron red switches. Now there are plenty of mechanical keyboards on the market right now, but the ones that always caught my attention are the keyboards that have their body wrapped in RGB lighting, as I think they look absolutely astonishing. But there is only one little tiny problem here. They're a bit too pricey, and if you want to build a custom mechanical keyboard with RGB body, it will cost a lot and probably will cost the full price of this keyboard just to buy the RGB body. But that's when the Wormier K66 shows up and saves your day and your wallet. Let's see what we're getting here within a budget of $50, fully mechanical keyboard with RGB body. Okay, so unboxing it, it's really simple because there isn't many things to look forward to. You've got only the USB cable, which is a Type-C, a small manual, and the keyboard itself. Let's look at the build quality first. The body is made from an acrylic looking glass, but it's actually just acrylic with a frosted finish. Now for this keyboard, they've sent me the Gateron red switches, but you can choose blue, brown, black, and yellow. The switches are factory looped, which surprisingly are even more silent than the brown switches. If you want to know if the switches are hot swappable, they are not. Personally, I like Gateron switches because they are also considered to be one of the best rated in the mechanical keyboard industry for gaming. The layout is almost identical to the standard 60% keyboards, except it has the insert, delete, and the arrow keys added, which I think people are gonna love, especially the dedicated arrow keys. But this is what sets apart this keyboard from the other budget mechanical keyboards. The RGB body and frosted finish that illuminates the RGB lighting in such a spectacular way that light is so strong that you can notice it very clearly even during a daytime. So it has LED on the body and under every switch. They're both controllable. To change the LED on the top, you click FM plus right control, and for the bottom part, it's FM plus left control. Unfortunately, there isn't any software to control the lighting from your PC, but you've got tons of light and combinations and animations you can choose from the keyboard. But my personal preference is to keep the top LED off and just have the bottom on in a rainbow color. I think that looks the best. Alright, my final thoughts on this keyboard. If you are just starting out on this hobby of mechanical keyboards, or you just saw a cool custom mechanical keyboard with awesome looking RGB body, and you find it very expensive, like me, then you would be more than happy to buy this keyboard. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found this helpful. If you did, hit the like button and sub if you already haven't. I'll see you all on the next one. Peace.